Hey guys, what's going on? New Computers 101 here, and today I am going to be making a remake on my how to install Windows XP mode on Windows 10 video. So, that video got about 100,000 views, so I would like to thank everybody for that support. So, anyways, let's go in here and start the process. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Google and search up, go to Microsoft.com, and once you're there, search up Windows XP mode. See it right here. I'll also include a link to this. You're going to want to download this right here. This first one. And you're going to go down, select your language. You're probably English if you're watching this video. And then you're going to want to click download. And I just did the one on the top here. I think either one works. Yeah, I'm not sure. Just, you can do whatever you want. So, after you select the one you want, you click next, and the download will start. I'm not going to do it because I already downloaded it. Depending on your computer, it could take a little bit. It could take about 10 minutes to download, but I have a pretty fast computer, so it didn't really take very long. So, the next thing you're going to want to do is after that, you're going to want to go download 7-zip. It's free. It's a free extractor, and I will include a link for this in the description. So, we're going to go into it right now. So, first, on the setup file you just download, you're going to want to right-click, hover over 7-zip, hover over Open Archive, and click Cab. Okay? And then you're going to double-click on Sources and double-click on XPM. Then you'll get all these files right here. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to move all of these to a new folder that you're going to create. You can name it whatever you want, but as you can see, I made one right here, and I already moved all the files in here. So, it doesn't take that long to copy the files over in a new folder. So, once you're done with that, you're going to want to find this file right here. VirtualXP VHD, okay? And then you're going to want to right-click and click Rename. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put, right before the V and after the P, you're going to want to put a dot here to make it a VHD file, and then push Enter. Then you can see it changed the icon to like a VirtualBox icon. Then also, after this, you are going to want to download VirtualBox. I'll include a link in the description for this too. It's free. It's open source. So I'm going to open up my VirtualBox right now. And then we're going to create new. And you can call it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it Windows XP YouTube. Okay, and then just make sure you have Microsoft Windows and Windows XP 32-bit selected. I recommend going with 512 megabytes of RAM just so it's faster. And then, well, this actually isn't the interface you would have. You would have this one, but I use this interface, just the expert mode. So if you open this and you're in this one, just click on expert mode, and then you're going to want to select use an existing virtual hard disk file. So you're going to want to click on this, and then click this little folder with the green up arrow, okay? So we're going to want to click on that, and we are going to locate your folder that you created, and double click on your file, on their .vhd file. And then, hold on, I have to rename this again, sorry. Okay. And then, after that, you're gonna click create. And then you are going to click start. Okay, it will boot into Windows XP. Alright, let's say like please wait. I don't know how long this will take. I guess this probably depends on how much RAM you gave your virtual machine. But after that, your mouse will not work through that setup. So you're gonna have to use the keyboard. So I'm gonna push Tab, and then go up and down. You can go up and down on this part. I accept, so I'm gonna hit Enter for next. Here, if you were in a different region or a different language, you would do Tab, you know, to go these and everything. But they're already set up the way I want to, and probably for most of you watching this video, it'll probably be good for you already, so you can hit next. Now you're going to want to name your computer, so I'm going to name it just YT, and we're going to hit next. Okay, the time's wrong, but whatever. Yeah, normally you would just set it to the time. Alright, now it's going to install network components. Okay, and now you come across a black screen. Do not worry, all you have to do is push the right arrow key and the control button at the same time, and then go to machine and hit reset. Okay, and now it will boot up into Windows XP for the first time. You're gonna get a bunch of driver messages and stuff. You just can skip that, because next thing we're gonna do is install the proper drivers for this thing. Okay? And there we go, we're in. So, you're gonna get about 2 to 3 of these. Just go, no, not this time. And go recommended, and then, you know, don't prompt me again. Same thing for all these. See, they won't work. And then you're gonna push right and control again, okay? Now, we are going to install VirtualBox Guest Editions. This will increase your screen resolution, and it'll make your machine a lot faster. So click on Devices, and then click on Insert Guest Editions CD Image. Okay, then click Next, Next, Next. Alright, and then it'll install. It's usually pretty quick in installing, but then again, it depends on your computer and the settings you gave Virtual Machine. Now, you might get a few of these. Just hit continue anyway. Don't worry about it. It's not dangerous or anything. It's mandatory for the Virtual Machine, because otherwise it won't work very well. Alright, and then you're gonna do the same thing again. Continue anyway. Oops. Continue anyway. Oh, what just happens? And then it will finish the installation, and then your VM will restart. So after I'm done with that, I'll be back. One more thing I did want to mention is that if you see that right there, the little keys over there in the bottom right hand, that means that like after 30 days it's going to tell you to activate, and it's not going to let you use this anymore. That is the only downside to this, to doing this. There probably are ways out there to bypass it or get rid of it, but for some reason the methods I tried did not work on this particular version of XP. I don't know why, but it's just something with the registry on the XP mode is a little different than their regular XP Professional. So yeah, you might have to reinstall this every month, which to some people is not a big deal at all. So anyways, I'll be right back when this is done installing. So yeah. Okay, we're back. So now after your after the guest editions are done installing, you're pretty much done. One quick thing I did want to mention was seamless mode. This basically integrates the VM into the main OS. So I'll show you this right here. I'm gonna switch, and as you can see right here, it's part of my main operating system now. So if I launch, like, I don't know, like Windows Media Player or something, see, it's seamless in here with everything else. So that's pretty cool. I just wanted to mention that. So it's kind of like how a feature you could do on Windows XP mode for Windows 7. So that's basically all I have for this video. Let me know if you have any problems with this, and I'll try to figure them out if you do. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.